Good morning. Happy Saturday. I theme my days, and Saturday is a day I think about stretching. Using my vibration plate and stretching using massage rollers are something I do every day. But I like to focus on it on Saturdays with my clients and just in my head, because part of the reason why I even started to use massage rollers or vibration plates or stretching was because I was constantly in pain. You know, I had 3 herniated discs in my lower back from a car accident when I was very young and just new in college. And and then I slipped and fell and slammed my wrist on the ground, and shooting pain from that moment up into my neck and shoulder. And I'm 47 years old now, you know, and things aren't working the same way. And to me, in the whole process of getting better and stronger and leaner and happier and less anxiety, and one of the main things was to try to get out of pain. And of course, there's so many ways to get out of pain. Some ways no good, and you know, in my past I've done those too. But you know, you find healthier ways to get out of it. And to me, when I found using a massage roller, I was working out with somebody who kept telling me, like, you're in pain, like, try this, use a roller. And yeah, whatever. And so at one point I was just like, you know, the pain gets to you after a while. It really does. And even recently I've had a shoulder issue. I'm sitting here with numbness in my arm and shoulder, but it's so much better than it was because I do, and I keep up with these things. And I wanted to show you a little bit about it. The reason why is, you know, September for me, I kind of realize this is the beginning of when the weather changes. I hear my clients and people say to me like, I don't know, I'm really achy. And I'm really achy, and the weather's changing, and it's getting colder. And when you chat with, you know, a doctor or a wellness physician, you know, you hear them say, well, yeah, the weather always has something to do with it. And so for me, the cold has always been an issue. And that's when I bring out like the big guns, you know. And not to say that I don't wear my brace, but like, you know, when people start with me, they always say, you know, the back pain or neck pain or whatever. And I'll ask them, do you stretch? And they're like, no. All right. Do you use a brace? You know, like, because for me, as I was losing my weight, I strapped on a brace so that I could continue to work out. And I kind of called it like my second back. And it helped me. And then I started wearing it when I would go to food shopping, because, like, you know, you go and you tug on something and all these big whatevers, and all of a sudden you come home and you're like, you know, and then you can't work out. And to me, it was like, no. I gotta get in a routine and a rhythm that I know I can stay healthy and out of pain. So again, you know, I had used a brace years ago, and I was like, oh no, I don't need it, blah, blah, blah. And, you know, it's just a $20 brace that I get from Amazon. Every once in a while, I'm probably due for it because it's already getting all funky on it. But to me, that was something that, like, was important to kind of get myself healthy again. I've been playing around with this. I played around with this more last year, although I'm pulling it out again. This is really great, like, if you are sitting at the computer a lot, or, you know, have neck and back issues. You wear it like a backpack, and you pull on these straps. I don't know if this is my go-to one, because it gets a little funny under you, but when you pull it, it just keeps you up, which is great, because when you're sitting there, you know, it's a lot better. And then there's my favorite Rumblerollers, and here's why. I was talking with somebody who said, you know, I saw you talking about this a while ago, and I bought one, and I hated it. And I was like, okay. did you buy the Rumbleroller? No, I bought a version. I found it in a store, and I get it. You know, I do too. I have some of them. That's why I don't have them here. They are hard as a rock, and when you roll on something hard as a rock, it feels like a rock, and that's not the whole point of it, right? So this is an extra firm one. This is my first one, and you could see it's got a lot of wear and tear on it. But I've used this and just found my way rolling around it, and I'll show you some of it, just to get out of pain, you know. And I could take my shoulder into it. Sometimes I would look on YouTube, see how somebody would use it. I didn't even know these were like super great ones, but Rumbleroller happens to be like the top of it. And it's good, you know, the way I see it is, if I could do this, then I need less massage or less medicine or less anything else. I'll just make this a routine. And so that's kind of what I did for that. And then this little gadget, I have to say, I haven't played around with it enough, but like, there is definitely something to say about this, because you can just put it anywhere and really like have your own massage. Who needs someone? So that's what we got there. And I just wanted to show you a little bit, like I said, some lower back. Good morning, everyone. I even at this distance with the glasses, I can see, but I can't see. So, you know, that's why I don't always go, hey, but it's not me either. So let me just show you a little bit of what you can do. And I got class in half an hour. All right, so the large one I just recently got. And my playroom is messy. But what I like about it is you can use it to really just pull and push on it. I usually put, at this time of the year, or start soon, a hoodie on, and that way it's even less on your skin. But the firm one, I have to say I like a lot. Even just literally finding where your pain is. I have, like I said, lower back issues. And I mean, when I started this, I was here, and then here, and then here, and then here, right? So it's just doing the reps and just doing it over and over again and getting out of pain. And I have to say, when I don't do it, when I start to stop, I feel it right away. Shoulders. What I've been doing is you just lean your shoulder in. And this isn't even the bad one. Undo your neck. And again, the little one, I think there's benefits to both. This one's just a little less firm, and you can travel with it a lot easier. I've traveled with it all the time in the past. So, I highly suggest that with the weather coming, you do think about doing something now, because in another month when it gets cold, or you're sitting in front of the computer too long, or whatever, you want to prevent that. At least that's how I see it. I would rather not be in pain any day. So if it takes 10 minutes to do something like this in my day, I'll do it. Have a great day. Chat with you tomorrow.